Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how starter locks on short hair can completely transform a man's look. We all know that hair is an essential part of our appearance, and getting the right style can make all the difference. So let's dive in and see how starter locks can work magic on short hair. Firstly, let's talk about what starter locks are. For those who are not familiar, starter locks are the early stages of locking natural hair. This is achieved by coiling or twisting the hair to create small knots that eventually grow into the full locks. With this style, you don't need to have long hair as it can work perfectly fine on short hair as well. As you can see in the before and after shots, starter locks can transform a man's appearance in a significant way. Short hair can sometimes be challenging to style, but starter locks provide a low-maintenance and edgy look. With this style, you don't have to worry about frequent haircuts or styling products. Starter locks are also versatile and can be styled in various ways to fit your personal style. Whether you want to keep them neat and tidy or a bit messy, the choice is yours. And the best part is, as your locks grow, they will only become more unique and personalized to you. Now folks, starter locks are an excellent option for men who want a low-maintenance, edgy, and versatile hairstyle for their short hair. As you can see, they can completely transform your look and give you a more confident and stylish appearance. If you're looking for a new hairstyle to try out, starter locks may be the perfect fit for you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video and hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.